Here's an uncomfortable truth. You probably can't name your top 10 customer right now. You don't know what they are worth. You don't know when they last ordered. And you definitely don't know if they are about to leave. Meanwhile, 20% of your customers are generating 80% of your profit. And you are treating them exactly as same as everyone else. No special attention, no VIP service, nothing to keep them loyal. That's it today. In the next few minutes, I am going to show you how to identify your most valuable customers. Understand what makes them valuable and spot warning sign before they leave for a competitor. I am Yasir Parvez, founder of Pure Devs. We build analytics and automation tools for e-commerce stores, helping store owners understand their customers, optimize operations, and grow profitably without burning out. Today, I am showing you the complete system for identifying your most valuable customers and protecting these relationships before competitors steal them away. Let's dive in. Most store owners are flying blind when it comes to customer value. They know their total revenue, they can see order counts, but ask them, who are your 20 most valuable customers? Which customers haven't ordered in 90 days but used to be big spenders? Who is at risk of leaving right now? They have no idea. And here's why this is expensive. First, you are spending equal time and resource on $50 per year customers and $5,000 per year customers. That kills profitability. Second, when high-value customers leave, you often don't notice until months later, when it's too late to save them. Third, you can't make smart decisions about retention, service levels, or marketing without knowing customer value. So today, I'm showing you the exact system to fix this. We'll use a WordPress plugin on a WooCommerce store, but the strategy works on any platform. Let's start. First, let me show you the tool we are using. This is the WordPress plugin repository where you find free plugins for WordPress and WooCommerce stores. We are looking for customer history for WooCommerce by Pure Devs. This plugin tracks everything about your customers, orders, spending behavior, segments, and give you the insight we are about to see. There's a free version and a pro version. Today we are using the pro version on of our demo stores because it has all the advanced features. But the principle I am teaching works regardless of what tools you use. Alright, let's go to the actual store. This is the customer history dashboard. After installing the plugin, this is what you see. Right away, you get your top customer ranked by total spending. Look at this. Jair Harris has spent $505, John Doe $437, Lydia Fuentes $315. This is already more than most store owners know about their customers. But we are going deeper. Let me show you the full customer list. This is where magic happens. The complete customer list with intelligence. Look at what we can see here. Total spending, how much each customer has spent lifetime. Orders, how many times they have purchased. Order average, their average order value. RFM segment, automatic customer categorization. I will explain this in a minute. I can sort by any of these. Let me sort by total spending, highest first. Here are our most valuable customers. Jair Harris, 505 total, 9 orders, 56 average order. John Doe, 437 total, 4 orders, 109 average order. Lydia Fuentes, 315 total, 4 orders, 78 average order. Now, notice something important. Jair has the highest total spending but a lower average order value. John has fewer orders but a much higher average order value. Which is more valuable? It depends. Jair is a frequent buyer, lower friction, high loyalty. John is a high value buyer, bigger purchases, potentially more profitable. Both are valuable but you treat them differently. And look, you can see every customer ranked by value. This instantly tells who deserves VIP treatment. But here's where it gets really powerful. See this column, RFM segments. The plugin automatically categorizes every customer into behavioral segments using something called RFM analysis. RFM stands for recency, how recently they purchased, frequency, how often they purchase, monetary, how much they spend. Based on these three factors, customers get assigned to segments like Potential loyalist, purple. Recent buyers showing promise. Champions, gold star. Best customers, recent frequent, high spending. Loyal, blue heart. Regular buyers with good history. Hibernating, orange. Used to buy, now inactive. At risk, red alert. Valuable customers who haven't ordered recently. New customer, green, just made first purchase. This is powerful because now you don't have to manually figure out who is who. The system does it automatically. Look, every customer has a segment. You can instantly see who your champions are, protect them, who is at risk, save them, who is new, nurture them, who is lost, win them back or let go. Let me show you how to filter by segment. Up here, we have advanced search filters. I can filter by RFM segments. Let's say I want to see only at risk customers. Boom! Now I am looking at only customers who are at risk of churning. These are people who used to be valuable but haven't ordered recently. They are in the danger zone. This is your high priority retention list. These people need attention now before they are gone forever. Or I can look at potential loyalists, people who recently purchased and show promise of becoming regulars. These customers need nurturing, good communication, excellent service, maybe a loyalty program invitation. See how powerful this is. You now know exactly who needs what type of attention. But let's go even deeper. Let me show you what you can learn about an individual customer. Let's look at Jair Harris, one of our top customers. This is the complete customer intelligence page. On the right, we have the financial summary. Total orders 9, total spend 505, order average 56.1 on. But look at this breakdown. Pending orders 0, refunding orders 0. 0 refunds. That's a happy, satisfied customer. Here's the RFM analysis for this specific customer. Recency 5 by 5. They ordered very recently. Last order 7 days ago. Frequency 3 by 5. They are an occasional buyer. 9 orders total. Monetary 4 by 5. Above average spending. RFM segment. Potential loyalist. This plugin saying this customer is valuable, orders frequently and just bought recently. They are showing signs of becoming a champion. Nurture this relationship. And look, it even gives you recommended actions. Offer membership programs. Provide a special discount to encourage frequency. Send personalized product recommendations. Build relationship through engagement. This is actionable intelligence. Down here, you see their complete order history. Every order they have placed, dates, items, totals. I can see patterns. What do they buy? How often? What's their favorite product? Here's their search history. What they have searched for on your site. They search for hoodie, cap, etc. This tells me what they are interested in. If they are searching for products you don't have, that's an opportunity. And here's their browsing session. Every time they visited your site, what pages they viewed. I can see they browse clothing categories, check product pages, and actually complete purchases. This is high intent behavior. They are not just window shopping, they are buying. And finally, their most viewed products. Cap 8 times, sunglasses 4 views, hoodie 2 views. I know what product interests them most. That's the perfect for personalized marketing. Now let me show you something else. Back on the dashboard, scroll down. This is the RFM segmentation overview. You can see your entire customer base broken down by segments. Champions 6 customers, loyal 6 customers, potential loyalist 7 customers, new customer 1 customers, promising 6 customers, need attention 8 customers, at risk 1 customer, hibernating 8 customers, lost 8 customers. This is your customer health snapshot. If you see at risk or hibernating growing, you have a retention problem. If champions and loyal are growing, you are building a healthy base. This updates automatically as customer behavior changes. You are always looking at current data. Let me show you a few more powerful features quickly. Under statistics, you get even more insights. Here's total spending by customer, same data, different view. And here's conversion funnel analysis, showing you where customer drop off in the buying process. Product view, add to cart, checkout, purchase. You can see which products convert well and which don't. Under sessions, you see real-time customer activity, who is on your site right now, what they are doing, what pages they are viewing. This is live intelligence. And under search, you see every search query customers make. If customers are searching for things you don't carry, that's product development research handed to you for free. Alright, we have seen the data. Now let's talk about what to do with it. So you have identified your most valuable customers. You see their RFM segments. You understand their behavior. Now what? Here's the strategic framework. For champions and loyal customers, give them VIP treatment, early access to new products, exclusive discount, not public sales, personal thank you messages, priority support. Make them feel special. Goal: keep them happy, increase spending, turn them into advocates. For potential loyalists and new customers, nurture the relationship, excellent onboarding experience, post-purchase follow-up, educate them about your products, invite them to loyalty programs, make their second purchase easy. Goal: convert them into regulars. For at-risk and hibernating, intervention campaigns. We miss you emails with compelling offers. Find out why they stopped, feedback surveys. Win them back before they are lost. Calculate, is this customer worth saving? Not all are. Goal: recover valuable relationships before they are gone. For lost customers, aggressive win-back attempts, time limited. If they don't respond after 2-3 attempts, let them go. Focus energy on customers who want to stay. Goal: recover if possible, move on if not. The key principle: stop treating all customers the same. You now know who is valuable. Allocate attention accordingly. Your champions deserve 10x more attention than random on-time buyers. This is how you build a sustainable, profitable business. One more thing, you can export all this data. Click Export and get a CSV file with all customer information. Use this to import into email marketing tools like Klaviyo, MailChimp, create custom segments in Facebook ads, build look-alike audiences, analyze in Excel or Google Sheets, feed into your CRM. The data is yours to use however you want. And you can set up automated weekly reports. Top customers, search trends, most viewed products. These get emailed to you every week automatically. Stay informed without logging in. Alright, let's wrap this up. Let me recap what we have covered. 1. You can now identify your most valuable customers instantly, sorted by total spending, order count, or any metrics you choose. 2. The RFM segmentation system automatically categorizes every customer into behavioral segments: champions, at risk, hibernating, etc. 3. You can see complete customer intelligence, orders, behavior, searches, sessions. Everything you need to understand is relationship. 4. You have actionable strategies for each segment. Who needs VIP treatment? Who needs nurturing? Who is at risk? 5. You can export this data and integrate it with any marketing tool you use. This is customer intelligence that most store owners never have. You are now operating at a level most competitors can't match. Use this system. Protect your best customers, nurture potential loyalists, recover at-risk relationships. That's how you build a sustainable, profitable e-commerce business. Alright, let me jump back on camera. That's the complete system for identifying and understanding your most valuable customers. This works on any platform. I showed you on WooCommerce with customer history plugin, but the strategy is universal. If you are on WooCommerce, the plugin is available on WordPress repository. There's a free version to start, and the pro version, what you just saw, unlocks all advanced features. Links are in the description. If you found this valuable, let me know in the comments what surprised you the most about your customer data. And if you want to cover specific customer segments in more details, like how to recover at-risk customers or how to grow champions, comments below and I will make those videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.